Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Dodge Caravan garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. It is also important to gather your original garage door opener, remote control, and confirm it has a fresh, working battery. We will begin by clearing any old programming from your home link system, preparing it for new codes. This initial setup ensures a smooth and successful programming process for your convenience. To begin, you will need to clear any existing programming from your home link system. Locate the two outer home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console or sun visor. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them for approximately 20 seconds, or until the indicator light above them begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous codes have been successfully erased, preparing your system for new programming. Now, let's link your original remote to your Caravan's home link system. Hold your original garage door opener remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and the transmit button on your original remote. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons, indicating successful code transfer. For the final step, you need to sync your Caravan with the garage door motor. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually near the antenna wire. Press and immediately release this button. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Inside your Caravan, firmly press and hold the newly programmed Home Link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release 2 or 3 times to complete the syncing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.